guys, welcome to Martinmade. My name's Stephanie and today I have 5 tips and tricks for the kitchen. Okay, so let's just say it. Sometimes being in the kitchen is not all that much fun. Sometimes having to get into the kitchen and get cleaning or get cooking or whatever it is that you're doing is hard to do. Sometimes you're sitting on the couch and you're enjoying just sitting there on your phone, watching a show, whatever it might be, or just lounging. And the thought of having to get up and to go into the kitchen and to actually go do whatever you have to do can be a pain. So today I have 5 tips and tricks that kind of will help a little bit. They are not necessarily something that's going to get you off the couch and get you going right into the kitchen just because you have these 5 tips and tricks, but they are a few things that I do have or do or keep around in the kitchen just to make things just a little bit easier when I have to do the work in the kitchen that I have to do. So let's get into the 5 tips and tricks for the kitchen.
The first thing I would have to say is to get others working with you. Find other people in the house and get them doing stuff like dishes or garbage or whatever. Look at my kitchen in this. It's not great. But my husband, my son, and I were working together to get the kitchen done. And it goes so much faster when you have something like that. I just have to brag on my husband a little bit. He will take the kids, if I have something that needs to get done, he'll take the kids out of the way and get them doing something different, whether it's playing with them or doing something else. And he allows me to just have a little bit of time to get some laundry done or to get some sewing done or whatever it might be. So he truly is an amazing dad and an amazing husband. Now back to the kitchen stuff. When I need to freeze something, say it's chicken broth or beans or something like that, I will take a cookie sheet and I will lay out whatever it is on a cookie sheet, and I will lay it nice and flat, and you have to make sure it stays very flat. So you'll want to make sure your deep freeze or freezer is able to accommodate that. Once it is frozen firm, then you can build a filing system of your foods so they are much easier to see. So this tip has really helped me out. I know, especially my upstairs freezer. I love it. Here's a little tip for those who use honey on a regular basis. What you want to do is you want to take your cooking spray and just spray down the inside of your measuring cup that you're going to use. And then you can easily just kind of spread it around, make sure it gets good and coated. Sometimes if there's a little extra, I'll take a paper towel and kind of wipe out a little bit of the extra, but you do want to make sure it's good and coated. And then you pour your honey into the measuring cup and it will come out fairly smoothly. It will just pour right out. You don't have to worry about the honey sticking to the measuring cup and having to scrape it all out or anything like that. So it works wonders. You should try it. Now tip number 4 would be to take the cabinet door right above where you normally bake and put all your measuring cups and spoons right there on the inside of the door with command hooks. Sometimes they do leave a little marking because they kind of bang on the door itself a little bit, but when you're in the middle of cooking, I find it doesn't really matter, but it is amazing, it's quick, it's easy, it's very convenient. And finally, I would have to say take an over-the-door shoe rack and cut it down to size for underneath your sink and attach it to the inside of the door right below your sink. It will do wonders for you.
I hope you enjoyed the tips and tricks that I had for you today. Tips and tricks around the kitchen can be very useful. I love watching videos like that because some of them I already do, yes, or some of them are not useful in my case, but then there's that one or two that are so useful, and I found when I watch videos like that, they're very helpful to me. So I hope even if just one of these was helpful to you, I hope that you can use it for a really long time. If you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't, you can give it a thumbs down. I don't care. That's fine. Whatever you choose to do, it's your choice. But if you would like, you could subscribe to this channel and you can catch more of stuff like this, tips and tricks videos, as well as other things that I do. And so you can hit that subscribe button down below. There's a little bell. If you like notifications, you can hit the bell and YouTube will notify you of any videos that I have that are coming up that have come up live onto the channel. And then if you would like, you can comment down below. Let me know. Have you ever used these tips and tricks? Do you like these tips and tricks? Do they work? What is it that you enjoyed about this video? I get a lot of comments on one of my other tips and tricks videos that I'll actually link down below. It's for the KitchenAid. You can go in there and you can hit that link in the description box, and you can go watch that and see some more tips and tricks that I have for you there. I hope to catch you in the comments, and I will see you later. Bye.
Jesus, the anchor of my soul, the ruler of his hoop, one who's in control. He saved me and keep me till the end. The rock of my salvation, and Christ alone. I hope it's Jesus.